Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, pick a dark location with a clear horizon and enable your phone GPS. Open a satellite tracking app and load Starlink passes for your coordinates. You want the next visible pass listed. Once done, set notifications and start a short 10-15 minute scanning window before predicted time. Use binoculars if available. They increase detection. Position yourself facing the pass azimuth, steady your device on a tripod, and prepare to watch the sky. When the countdown reaches 0, you observe the sky as the pass begins. Look for a linear, train-like sequence moving steadily. That's typically Starlink. Once spotted, confirm with your tracker overlay, match azimuth and elevation within a few degrees. If you photograph, switch to manual, set exposure to 1/4 to 1/2 second, low ISO, and a steady mount. Make short burst images every few seconds to capture motion. Keep notes, exact time, heading, and brightness. This helps separate Starlink from aircraft or satellites with irregular motion. You finish by saving and labeling your photos and notes, then cross-check them with the tracker's pass list to confirm identity. If the sighting is ambiguous, repeat on the next favorable pass and look for consistent heading and timing. Repeatability rules out planes. If you get no detection, troubleshoot. Verify app permissions and GPS accuracy, move to a darker site, or use another tracker app. One key tip: if lights flicker or change course, it's likely aircraft. Discard those observations and retry.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.